Somebody help! My headphones are falling apart!
Somebody? Anybody?
Help!
Master Miller here, trying to save y'all some money and unnecessary stress at the same damn time. So your once flawless pair of headphones have become aesthetically unpleasing, the comfort level has diminished, and you've even lost some of your headphones isolation in the process. Well, most of that's gonna fall on the ear pads. So if the headband isn't broken, don't trash them just yet. They're still good. You just need to replace the ear pads. So let's jump on over to the tech table and replace those right now. Sound Society, let's go.
If it's lit, leave a like.
Like I said, ATH-M50x users, no need to stress. We have your replacement pads waiting for you in our link below. In society, keep in mind any purchases made through our links does in fact help support the channel. And for the rest of you that are needing replacement pads for another model of cans you may have, more than likely you can also find those in our link as well. But now, comment section. If these ATH-M50Xs ain't it, well then, what is? Let us know. Please enlighten us. What headphones get it done for you? Once again, Master Miller, love y'all, gotta run. Catch y'all in the next one.